The National Weather Service in Houston-Galveston has issued a tornado warning for Harris County in southwest Texas until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:37 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This storm was located 7 miles north of Katy and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Deer Park, Jersey Village, Houston, and Pasadena. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight tomorrow morning for southeastern Texas. Repeating, a tornado warning is in effect until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for Harris County. Tornado emergency in the city of Houston. A tornado warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:02 p.m., law enforcement were tracking a violent and extremely dangerous tornado. The tornado was located 10 miles northeast of downtown Houston, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Residents within the Houston metropolitan area are strongly encouraged to take shelter underground. An interior room may not be adequate protection for this storm. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight tomorrow morning for southeastern Texas.